Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards for your general energy, Scorpios. So we have Five of Pentacles in reverse, Fool in reverse, and Five of Swords. So Scorpios, in your situation, guys, you are someone who is in an important position, maybe in your work or even in your life, in your personal life. You hold a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders and you are working hard, doing your best, trying your best. So in your situation, you are facing a lot of struggles, obstacles, but whatever it is, you are doing your best, trying your best, working hard, really trying to do things in a better way in your situation, and maybe in your personal life, maybe, guys, you have people who are maybe you need to take care of them. They are sick or they are someone who lacks that capacity or ability to do things on their own. Maybe they are quite careless, maybe, and you are the one really devoted to this person, trying to help them in every possible way. And also in your relationship, guys, I see there are some misunderstandings because of the way you are. Maybe you are a very talented person, understanding, and you are really sensitive to others' feelings, and maybe this person you are in relationship with, maybe they are not like you. They are not so understanding, and maybe even without them telling you what they feel, you understand their emotions, but this person is not that way, guys. So there is some kind of something missing in this relationship. Maybe you both do not share that deep compatibility, so that may be the reason for some troubles, or there is a missing link, maybe you may call it that way. So that is what I see, guys. So you are really trying your best, but there is something missing. That is what I see, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Eight of Cups in reverse. So maybe in this connection, things will resolve, guys. This card stands for happiness and a celebration. So maybe you both are coming to an understanding and you are moving towards a deeper commitment, maybe marriage or engagement, maybe, guys. Or it may also point out to the future of this connection. Maybe these misunderstandings or quarrels or fights are just deepening the love you both have. So with lots of fights comes lots of understanding. So you know you have a better picture of this person today. You know the truth and you know what this person is. And that may be the reason this relationship may work for some of you guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Two of Pentacles in reverse. So, with this card, it just means an important communication is reaching you in your work situation. For most of you, it may be something good, but for some of you, it may be something bad, guys. So, you need to be careful if you are making some important choices in your work situation. Scorpios, you need to be really careful. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment. And this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So, in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that Maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to, what to say, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative. You want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.